let me ask you something.
Sure?
Do you ever think about what your life will be like after we graduate?
Yeah, a lot actually. Sometimes it's exciting, sometimes it's stressful. What about you? Have you figured things out?
Mm, kind of. I want to work at a big television station after graduation. How about you? What's your dream?
Honestly, I want to become a motorcycle racer.
Wait, seriously? That's really cool. When did you start wanting to be a racer?
Since I was a kid, I've always loved motorcycle and speed. Why do you want to work in television?
I like media, storytelling, and creating content. Are you scared of getting injured as a racer?
Of course, but every dream comes with risks. Aren't you scared of working in such a competitive industry?
Yeah, I am. The media industry is tough. So, how do you prepare yourself to become a racer?
I train physically, practice a lot, and work in my mental strength. How do you prepare yourself to work in TV?
I practice communication, learn editing basic, and follow media trend. Do you want to race only local or international?
If possible, in international. Do you also want to work abroad someday?
Definitely, working abroad is one of my biggest dream. Aren't you afraid of being far from your family?
I am, but I think it's part of chasing a dream. What scares you the most about your future?
Failing and wasting my potential. What about you? What is your biggest fear?
Not reaching the level I want. Do you think failure means the end?
I think no. Failure is part of learning. When you feel tired or unmotivated, what keeps you going?
My dream and my family support. What support you the most?
My family and my close friend. Do you think support is important when chasing dream?
Very important. No one can do it alone. What does success mean to you?
Hmm, Doing something I love and being proud of it. What about you? What's success for you?
Standing on the podium and knowing my hard work paid off. Do you want to be famous by working in TV?
Not really. I just want to my work have a meaning. Do you want frame as a racer?
It's just a bonus. Racing itself is my main goal. Do you think having this dream is unrealistic?
No. Big dream give us direction. Do you think you'll still chase this dream in the future?
Yes, even if the path changes. Are you excited about graduating?
Excited, but also nervous. What do you think will be the hardest part of graduation?
Facing the world. How about you?
Proving myself. If you could ask your future self one question, what it will be?
Did you give up or keep going? What would you ask your future self?
Did you stay true to your dream? Do you think your future self will be proud of us?
I hope so, as long as we don't give up. Do you want to make a promise right now?
Yeah. No matter how hard it gets, we keep trying.
Deal.
Deal.
Different team, same effort.
By the way, do you think our dream will change in the future?
Maybe a little, but I think the main goal will stay the same. How about you? Do you think you still want to work in TV 10 years from now?
I think so. Maybe not exactly the same position, but still in media. What about you? Do you think you'll still race when you get older?
If my body allows it, yes. But even if stop racing, I want to stay in the motorsport world. Would you stay in one job for a long time?
If I enjoy it, yeah. But I'm also open to new opportunities. Do you think it's important to love your job?
very important. If you don't love it, you get tired easily. Have you ever doubted your dream?
Honestly, yes. Sometimes I wonder if I'm good enough. Do you ever feel that way too?
The time, especially when I see racers who are younger and faster than me. How do you deal with self-doubt?
I remind myself when I start, and I try not to compare myself too much. And how do you motivate yourself when you feel down?
I was raised and remember my goal. Do you have someone you look up to in the media industry?
Yeah, there are some journalists and producer I really admire. Do you have a racing idol?
Of course, watching professional race motivates me a lot. Do you think idol play an important role in shaping dreams?
I think they do. They show us what possible. Do you think talent is more important than hard work?
Hard work for sure. Talent means nothing without this talent. What do you think is your biggest strength?
I think it's my communication skill. I enjoy talking to people and sharing stories. What about you? What is your biggest strength?
My determination once I set a goal. I don't give up easily. What do your biggest weakness?
Sometimes I overthink too much. How about you?
I can be impatient. Do you think weakness can be improved?
Definitely, that's what growing up is about. Do you think college help you understand yourself better?
Yes, in many ways. It taught me responsibility. What the most important lesson you learned in college?
I think time management, balancing assessment and personal life wasn't easy. What about you?
Teamwork. Even in racing, teamwork is important. Do you think teamwork matters in your dream job?
Absolutely. TV production depends on the teamwork. Do you think technology will affect your future career?
Yes, motorcycle and racing technology keep evolving. How about you, media?
Media is changing fast. You need to adapt to digital platform. Does that change exceed your or scare you?
What segment challenge? Are you ready to keep learning in the future?
I have to be. Learning never stops. Do you think success comes quickly?
No, success takes time and passion. Are you patient enough to wait?
Yeah, I hope so. Do you think pressure from society affect our dream?
Yes, especially expectation about money and stability. Do you ever feel pressure?
Yeah, sometimes. But I try to focus on my own path. Do you think happiness should come before stability?
I think balance is the key. What kind of life do you want in the future?
A balanced life, a job, and I enjoy and the time for myself. How about you?
I live where I can rest and still enjoy simple moments. Do you think we'll stay friends in the future?
Yeah, I hope so. Even if we're busy. Do you believe friendship changes over time?
They do, but real ones stay. If everything goes wrong, what would you do?
Start again. As long as I don't give up. What will you do?
Listen, giving up is not an option. Do you think we're brave enough to face the future?
Maybe not fully ready, but we learn. Are you optimistic about the future?
I am, as long as I have my dream. Any final question you do ask me?
No matter what happens, will you keep chasing your dream?
Yes, what about you?
Yeah, I will. No matter how hard it gets.
Then I think we'll be fine.
Yeah. Different dreams, same struggle, same effort.
Alright.
Alright.